In this edited extract, the ghost of Christmas Present takes Scrooge to visit the Cratchits' home. Scrooge has shown that, despite their poverty, the Cratchits are rich in love and gratitude, things that Scrooge lacks. Such a bustle ensued that you might have thought a goose the rarest of birds, a feathered phenomenon. Mrs. Cratchit, looking slowly all along the carving knife, prepared to plunge it in the breast. But when she did, and when the long-expected gush of stuffing issued forth, one murmur of delight arose all round the board, and even Tiny Tim beat on the table with the handle of his knife, and feebly cried, "Hurrah!" There never was such a goose. Bob said he didn't believe there ever was such a goose cooked. Its tenderness and flavour, size and cheapness were the themes of universal admiration. Eked out by applesauce and mashed potatoes, it was a sufficient dinner for the whole family. Indeed, as Mrs. Cratchit said with great delight, surveying one small atom of a bone upon the dish, they hadn't ate it all at last. Yet everyone had had enough, and the youngest Cratchit in particular was steeped in sage and onion to the eyebrows. Oh, a wonderful pudding! Everybody had something to say about it, but nobody said or thought it was at all a small pudding for a large family. It would have been flat heresy to do so. Any Cratchit would have blushed to hint at such a thing. They were not a handsome family. They were not well dressed. Their shoes were far from being waterproof. Their clothes were scanty, and Peter might have known, and very likely did, the inside of a pawnbroker's. But they were happy, grateful, pleased with one another, and contented with the time. And when they faded, and looked happier yet in the bright sprinklings of the spirit's torch at parting, Scrooge had his eye upon them, and especially on Tiny Tim, until the last. What does it mean to be rich in love? What does it mean to be rich in gratitude? Why do groups of people enjoy eating together? Why are the relationships we have with other people so important? What is happiness for you?